Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if your search bar is not working or responding. I'll show you the quick way to fix it. So the first step is to run the Windows search troubleshooter. For that I'll open run first. So I'll press Windows R key and then over here I'll type this command. All you need to do is just copy and paste. So I'm going to provide this command in the below description. You just need to copy and paste this command, click OK, and then click next, um, and then click all these options, and then click next, and click next. Just follow the steps. Try troubleshooting as admin, and just click all these options. Click next, next. Okay, nothing has been identified. If there is a problem, the troubleshooter will automatically detect the problem and hopefully it will fix it. Since I don't have a problem right now, so that is the reason why it hasn't shown me anything. So I will close the troubleshooter right now. So if the issue is still not fixed, the second method that you can try is restart Windows Explorer. So for that, I will open the task manager. To open the task manager, I will press the key Control Shift Escape. And then I will go over here in the processes and I will look for this Windows Explorer. Right click and restart. So the Windows Explorer has been restarted. After this method, if the issue is still there, if it hasn't fixed, you can try the last method to restart Windows Search Services. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the run again. So press Window R key and then type services.msc and then click OK after that. And then look for service called Windows Search. Make sure that startup type should be set as automatic. If the service is running, just stop the service and start the service again. After this, hopefully the problem will be fixed. uh, Look, it has been started. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.